program. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, Eze Njoku Anasike, Eze ndị Igbo Ọjọọ Central, Eze ndị Eze na Ọjọọ Constituency, Eze Ọhadurume, Eze Ọhaduruchi, Eze Ugochukwu Tubele Nnewi. Today, I come to Eze Nicholas Njoku Palace about his project about Igbo youth called Asusu Igbo. He wanted to legalize in Lagos State, let our children understand our dialect. So today, it happens that he invited me. Unfortunately, I came back from Abuja this evening, and I make sure that I'm here. I'm thanking God that Igbo people have come to realize that our dialects will not escape from us, especially from our children. So I believe that many of us called the Eze will emulate his footsteps, and he will make us to know more and more when we have joined the chorus, as to make sure that Igbo language is not escaped from us.
Okay,
that is our life.
What is the message to the Igbo indigenes in Lagos entirely, so that to assist the efforts of the Eze, so that the language does not die?
He has said it.
No, he's talking about
Eze should emulate.
Talking about Ezes. I'm talking
both Ezes and the other people who is capable to support Igbo language anywhere, both in abroad, both in anywhere. All of us are in Lagos here, but even people living in London, US and other things. This is something that we take from our forefathers, and our language from our forefathers cannot escape from us. It's our language and it's our language. Nobody will stop us to speak Igbo language.
Now, sir, on the last note, sir, recently the Southeast Council of Traditional Rulers gave directives to Ndeze in diaspora. How will you react to that? That people should revert to Onye Ndu or Onye Sindibo. What is your reaction to that directive?
So, what I'm trying to say, all names. Names is not the meaningful of anything called tradition. Tradition is who are you making that the Eze. If the Ezes are respecting themselves, no matter what they call or what they answered, even our people at home, the kings, were not even interested of what they answered. But the problem there is that in Lagos State, there is some people who don't even want to be palace chief or palace people, and they are entering Eze. It's uncalled for. That is what leads the tradition or the name we are answering in Lagos, especially in Lagos. If you go Kano, SAB of Kano there, Zaria, everybody are there. So, Onyendu or Isi or anything, if they are answering that name and this name is behaving, the whole thing is proper. So, it doesn't matter. It's the people who are answering it. It's the people who are supposed to sanitize. I even want to, if I travel now, I will go to in the meeting of Eze Ordinala of Igbos, because I know the day one of the king have invited me to the meeting. If I go there, I will tell them the truth. You will see somebody who don't have even a balance. Some people are tenants, answering Eze. It's not worth it. Not the name is the problem. But when you shoot for what you are answering, you know, the people outside will recognize you no matter what you answer. But when you don't shoot for what you are answering, no matter, even though you answer okay or answer okay, anything, that is not the issue. This is a people's land. And when you go to Oka, you see Oba of Lagos, Oba of Yoruba. Go to Oka, you see Emir. Go to Njoku, you see Emir, see Oba. So they respect themselves. I want all our people who want to become Eze, because this Eze chief, they have messed up with it. They have messed up with it. So once again, what I'm advising all the PGs in Lagos State, so put our hands together and make Igbo one, so that we know the people who answer that Eze. So everybody